How to shoot photo for creating hyperlapse. Hey guys, my name is Aria, I'm a filmmaker. Before we get into the video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification. Today we are gonna learn how to shoot photos for creating amazing hyperlapse. If you don't know what is hyperlapse and what's the difference between hyperlapse, motion lapse and time lapse, you can check the video right here. First, let's see these two hyperlapse that I made. If you like these two hyperlapse, hit the like button. Now, how to shoot. First, choose your subject and the environment you want to shoot in. Pick up your phone if you want to shoot with your phone, or pick up your camera if you want to shoot with your camera. Look at the monitor and start moving the exact video you have in mind. Look at the monitor from start to finish, all these paths, and make sure the subject is in your frame all the time. Turn all these movements to little by little footsteps. Every footsteps you want to shoot a photo, right? And for making sure your subject is in frame all the time, you can turn on the grid on your camera. Grid is the horizontal and vertical lines that shows in your monitor. Choose a point on that grid and make sure your subject is on that point all the time in every movement you want to do. After you do that, guess how many frames you want to shoot. And keep in mind, if you shoot more frames, your video could be better. Adjust the exposure on your camera. Make sure your subject is in focus in every single photos and start shooting. If you use gimbals or even Osmo Pocket, your job is easier because you can target your subject and your gimbal moves with your subject anywhere you go and keep that subject in focus. But if you want to use a tripod, your job is harder. You have to move your tripod in every frame. And if you want to shoot handheld, it's very much harder. You need to keep in mind what was that last photo. You don't want to rotate your camera while you're shooting. Let me know down in the comments. Have you ever had problem for shooting photos for hyperlapse? And one very important pro tip that you don't hear much. You need to shoot in a wider angle. For example, if you have like this view in mind, you need to shoot wider, this much. Because in editing, your video will be cropped. Alright, thanks for watching. If you want to know how to edit your photos for creating hyperlapse, make sure you subscribe to my channel and see my future videos. And I will see you all next time.